We'll guide you through how to make an Instagram post in Canva and post it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Canva is a great way to go and create Instagram posts, so we'll go through that and then we'll go and show you how you can post them on Instagram. So first of all, sign into Canva, and what you want to do is go and search for Instagram like so. You can then go and select Instagram portrait, or you can do square. In this case, I want to do a square. You can scroll through here and go and see these different templates you can go and use. You can go and make one from scratch if you want. Scroll through here and find one you like, and you can then go and click on it. You can go over to the right and click and customize this template. And then what we can do is go and customize this. So what I'm going to do is go and click on this image here. I'll click on the delete button and click delete image. We can then go over to the left into uploads, and I could go and upload an image to use here. I've already got some, so I can just go and click and drag it in like so. And then I'll do the same thing for the back one. I'll select it, I'll press the back space key or the delete key, and I'll then drag the image in behind it like so. And I'll just go and adjust its layering by right clicking on it, then hover over layer and click on center back like so. And then what we can do is go and customize the text in this other image here as well. After you finish designing your post, of course, yours will probably look different to mine. You can go to the top right and click on share. What you can do is click on Instagram here and do it that way. I prefer just to go and click on download. So I've got it on my computer as well. Download it as a PNG and then click download, and it will shortly be saved to your computer. It's now been saved, and now we can come to Instagram. Come over to the left and click on create and click on select from computer. Go and find it in your downloads and select it and click on open. There it is. We'll click on next and we can go now to filters and things. You can then caption it and go through the post settings. Click on share and it will then be posted. Just like so, I'll go and close this and go and refresh Instagram, and there it is. If you found this useful, then leave a like.